Go Yoruba! Would you like to introduce yourself in Yoruba language? I volunteer myself to assist you while you are watching and reading, or maybe you are just curious to speak Yoruba, which is great. So I will teach you how to introduce yourself in Yoruba. Ta ni ìwọ jẹ́? Ta ni ìwọ jẹ́? Àbí ṣe àlàyé ara rẹ? Ṣàlàyé ara rẹ. Let me introduce myself. Let me introduce myself. Jẹ́ kí n sọ ẹni tí èmi jẹ́ fúnra mi. Jẹ́ kí n sọ ẹni tí èmi jẹ́ fúnra mi. The most important Yoruba to learn as we begin this video is the pressure word below. Èmi. Èmi. Hi. Èmi gangan. Èmi gangan. I myself. I myself. We all know that first impression is important. So we want to make a great first impression. I don't know how you will be feel. I just want you to be safe when you are in Yoruba nation. I think I'm a very kind person. Can someone say Doyin? Doyin, we love you. And you don't have to be in Yoruba nation to speak Yoruba. You can born be in Yoruba anywhere, and you'll be able to impress people. Yes. Now, how do you like that? I know you will like it. Yes. Now, let's start a business. People may ask you this question, maybe in school, in the market, maybe inside the flight, anywhere you meet yourself. You might jam Yoruba people. You know, we are everywhere in the world. Yes. Ṣe àpèjúwe ènìyàn tí o jẹ́ ní ṣókí. Ṣe àpèjúwe ènìyàn tí o jẹ́ ní ṣókí. Could you tell a little bit about yourself? Could you tell a little bit about yourself? Sọ nípa ara rẹ fún mi. Sọ nípa ara rẹ fún mi. Could you introduce yourself to me? Could you introduce yourself to me? I know after this lesson, you will be able to introduce yourself. Yes. Or be able to ask people questions. Tell who you are. Tell who you are. Sọ ẹni tí o jẹ́. Sọ ẹni tí o jẹ́. Tell your name. Tell your name. Sọ orúkọ rẹ. Sọ orúkọ rẹ. Sọ ọmọ ọdún tó o jẹ́. Sọ ọmọ ọdún tó o jẹ́. Tell your age. Tell your age. Sọ iye ọdún tó o jẹ́. Sọ iye ọdún tó o jẹ́. Tell how old are you? Tell how old are you? Where you live? Where you live? Níbo lò ń gbé? Níbo lò ń gbé? You will know how to answer when they ask you this question. What is your name? What is your name? Kí lorúkọ rẹ? Kí lorúkọ rẹ? Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni ẹ́? Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni ẹ́? How old are you? How old are you? Níbo lo ti wá? Níbo lo ti wá? Where do you come from? Where do you come from? Níbo lo ti ń bọ̀? Níbo lo ti ń bọ̀? Where are you from? Where are you coming from? Kí lorúkọ rẹ? Kí lorúkọ rẹ? What is your name? What is your name? Orúkọ mi ni Dóyin. Orúkọ mi ni Dóyin. My name is Dóyin. My name is Dóyin. Ọmọ ogún ọdún ni mí. Ọmọ ogún ọdún ni mí. I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. Yes. Please, that's it for today. Join me next week. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and always give me thumb up. Ọmọ Yorùbá ni mí. Ó dàbọ̀. Bye bye.